So until you fix what's going on inside here and you understand how money works, what its purpose is, and how to manage it properly, you're going to be continually, perpetually stuck in company town mode, and you'll be on that buy, get into debt, buy, get into debt, buy, get into debt mode, and you'll never build true wealth. Now, there are 5 ways to optimize your money. Hi, Gen X, and all those who want to learn from us. Welcome back. Last time I left you, I talked to you about company town and how the way we're living right now is just an exploded version of the original company town that industrial barons used to keep a working, ignorant middle class in their factories churning out goods and services. You can break out of that, but your first inclination might be, well, I just need to make more money. Wrong. I made that mistake. But as I made more money, my lifestyle just kept creeping up to match it. So until you fix what's going on inside here and you understand how money works, what its purpose is, and how to manage it properly, you're going to be continually, perpetually stuck in company town mode, and you'll be on that buy, get into debt, buy, get into debt, buy, get into debt mode, and you'll never build true wealth. Now, there are 5 ways to optimize your money and gain margin, which is the beginning of building true wealth. And I'm going to share 5 of those with you this week. And today I'm going to start with the first most important one, and that is be intentional with your money. Be intentional with it. What that means is you're not going to begin each month and you're going to be like, well, I get paid this month and I'm going to pay this bill and pay this bill and pay this bill, and if I have anything left over, I'm going to save it. That never happens. You gotta be intentional about how you go about managing your money. You can't be at the end of the month wondering where your money went. You've got to tell it where to go. Give each dollar an assignment at the beginning of the month. Now, what does that look like? I've spoken to you before about this. 70, 10, 10, 10. Now, if you're in need of this particular thing that I'm talking about right now, gaining margin, then you need this 70, 10, 10, 10 rule. What is the 70? Well, this is what you're going to live off of, right? So that goes there. Here's what you do with the other 10s. 10% goes to savings. Another 10% goes to investments. Now, what's the difference between savings and investments? Savings is for today. It protects your today. Investments protect your tomorrow. And I'm going to get into that stuff later on. Now, what's the last 10? That's your debt elimination. You're dedicating this 10 to the extra money that you're going to throw when you create your debt snowball. And I've spoken to you about the debt snowball before. I don't have all the time to go into that right now. Now, this 70, like I said, you're going to live off of that. That's rent, mortgage, right? That's your utilities, food, transportation, all of these things that are essential to making your life work. You're even going to put whatever donations you give, whatever fund you have, all of those things go into that. When you can control how your money flows, this is where your margin starts to come in. And this little piece right here, these 3 10s, is going to be the secret sauce to you exploding your wealth. That's it for today. I got 4 more for you, so tune in every day this week, and I will give you the 5 key things you need to do to optimize your money, build margin, and get out of company town so that you can build true wealth and financial freedom. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'll see you back here again tomorrow.